Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate food delivery with DoorDash, detailed guide step by step clearly. To automate food delivery with DoorDash, start by creating an account on the DoorDash website or app. Download the DoorDash app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already. Open the app and sign in using your credentials or create a new account if necessary. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings menu, usually found under your account profile. In the Settings menu, look for the Delivery Settings option. Select the Schedule a Delivery feature to set up recurring orders. Choose your preferred delivery time and frequency, such as daily, weekly, or specific days of the week. Next, browse through the restaurant options available in your area. Select a restaurant of your choice and then choose the items you want to order. Customize your order according to your preferences, such as meal quantities or special instructions. After finalizing your order, proceed to the checkout screen. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your payment information if you haven't already saved it. Once you've confirmed your payment details, select the option to save this order for future use. Finalize your current order by tapping on the Place Order button. To ensure your automation works smoothly, set reminders on your calendar for the delivery days. Monitor your first few automated deliveries to ensure everything goes as planned. Adjust your order or delivery schedule as needed based on your experience. Enjoy the convenience of having your favorite meals delivered automatically. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.